Good evening, esteemed principal, teachers, parents, and my dear little stars. It brings me great joy to welcome you all to our kindergarten's annual function, a celebration of the laughter, creativity, and boundless energy of our little ones. This year, our theme is Dharohar, or as we rightly call, heritage, celebrating our roots, a wonderful journey through the rich cultural tapestry of India. From the valor of our great kings to the vibrant festivals and spiritual traditions that bring us together, today is dedicated to honoring the heritage that makes India truly special. And now, I would like to call upon stage our principal mentor, Mrs. Seema Gupta, to say a few words.
I welcome you all on behalf of Volante. What a joyous occasion it is to stand before you on this remarkable evening as we come together to celebrate the remarkable evening, as we celebrate the annual day of Volante. This day marks a milestone in the journey of our children and the wonderful experiences they have had throughout the year. Kindergarten is a magical place. It's where little hands first learn to write, tiny feet take their steps into the world of learning, and where big dreams are born. It is a place filled with laughter, curiosity, and the excitement of discovering new things every day. This is a special time in their lives, a time of growth, exploration, and boundless imagination. As educators, we feel an immense sense of pride as we witness our children bloom into confident, inquisitive, and joyful learners. Every smile, every tiny achievement, and every new skill learned reminds us of the important role we play in shaping their future. The journey of a child in kindergarten is not just about learning numbers and letters, but about fostering values like kindness, compassion, teamwork, and creativity. These are the qualities that will carry them forward into a bright future. Volante was born nearly 10 years ago by passion and enthusiasm. This idea, a brainchild of my husband, Mr. Ravi Gupta, is, and will always be about giving parents the assurance that someone is here to take care of the children so you can focus on your careers. Volante is not just a preschool, it is a passion, a vision, and a dream. When we started laying down the vision board for Volante, one thing was very clear. We would focus on solving parents' problems, giving them peace of mind, and then laying a strong foundation for their children. From the beginning, we have aimed for a balanced focus on the holistic development of children, and happy to say that we have successfully maintained the vision to this day. We often receive messages about the achievements of the children from their parents. We feel an immense sense of pride, whether it is a child writing a book and publishing on Amazon, participating in national competitions, or even being part of UNICEF and many more. We had a dream, and the entire Volante team worked tirelessly to make it a reality. I am truly grateful to have such a strong and supportive team. I also want to express my deepest gratitude to our parents who have stood by us, even during the most challenging times, whether it was during the pandemic or when we moved campus last year. Your trust and support have been a constant source of strength. It is because of you that we are able to strive the excellence year after year. As we enjoy the performances tonight, let's remember that the true essence of this event is not just about what has been achieved, but the joy of learning and growing together. This is your day, and I hope you will carry these wonderful memories with you for years to come. Once again, thank you to everyone for being here to celebrate this incredible journey with us. I wish you all an evening filled with joy, laughter, and pride. Let's all continue to nurture these little hearts and minds, for they are the future of tomorrow. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Seema ma'am, for those lovely words. And now I would like to call upon stage my co-host and colleague Ramya ma'am to say a few words.
Dear parents, today's celebration is not just about performance, but also about reflecting on our responsibility to pass down this rich heritage to our children by instilling in them the knowledge of our tradition, values, spirits, and roots that we come from. We ensure that the essence of India continues to thrive in this generation to come. India, a magnificent land, is like a grand story book filled with tales of wisdom, devotion, and bravery. It's a place where legendary rulers like Ashoka and Chhatrapati Shivaji shaped history and where festivals and spiritual tradition unite us with one another and to our roots. Today, our little ones will offer glimpse of this rich heritage, bringing history, culture, and tradition to life.
Ramya ma'am, we recently witnessed the grand celebration of Mahakumbh, a once-in-a-lifetime event. The Mahakumbh Mela is one of the largest religious gatherings in the world, held in India. It takes place every 6 and 12 years, but the Mahakumbh, the most auspicious of all, occurs once in 144 years. Millions of pilgrims, including the sadhus and the devotees, took a holy dip in sacred river, believing it purifies their soul and grants salvation. This festival is not just about the ritual bath. It also features spiritual discourses, sacred ceremonies, and cultural events, drawing people from across the globe. You know, ma'am, there was this family who visited Mahakumbh recently.
Can we have the family?
Daddy, it's so crowded. What's happening here?
This is Mahakumbh, the largest religious gathering. Do you know the story behind it? A long time ago, gods and demons fought over a magical pot of nectar that they obtained by churning the ocean, the process known as Samudra Manthan. To protect it, Garuda, the celestial bird, flew away with the pot. Few drops of nectar fell at Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. People take a holy dip in the river, seeking divine blessing. That's how Mahakumbh Mela began.
Children, we are truly fortunate to be here. Do you know the significance of Lord Shiva in the festival? Lord Shiva played a crucial role in Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean, which led to emergence of sacred pitcher of nectar. He is one of the most revered deities in the Indian mythology. To honor this, our children have prepared a wonderful performance depicting the story of Lord Shiva and his divine dance. The first song has been choreographed by Ramya ma'am and Ayushi ma'am. The participants are Shivanya, Tashi, Harshil, Rishan, Ayansh, Avyukt, Chelsea, Suyash, Uttara, Ivansai, Lakshya, Sarthak, Shloka, and Viana. Let's have some music, please.
चमके सितारे देखो हमारे शत्रु तो सारे हारे जय हो सिपाही जो है सदा ही रूप शिवा का धारे जय हो। हे आज अंधेरे छटे हैं, कम हुए हैं घटे हैं, कल जो दुश्मन यहाँ थे आज पीछे हटे हैं। गाती ये धरती है, गाता ये अंबर है, गाती है सारी हवा। तेरे मन में शिवा, मेरे मन में शिवा, सांसों में शिवा, प्राणों में शिवा, हर घड़ी में शिवा, हर दिशा में शिवा आज गूंजा हुआ है जय जय शिवा। तेरे मन में शिवा, मेरे मन में शिवा, सांसों में शिवा, प्राणों में शिवा, हर घड़ी में शिवा, हर दिशा में शिवा आज गूंजा हुआ है जय जय शिवा। तेरे मन में शिवा। सारी दीवारें भी सारी तलवारें भी तुमने दुश्मन की अब तोड़ दी है। आई थी आंधियां जिस दिशा से यहाँ उस दिशा मोड़ती है।
पार उतरना ही था ये तो करना ही था, ये तो होना ही था, सुन ले भाऊ। उनको जाना ही था, हमको आना ही था, ये तो होना था भाऊ।
हाँ, देश भी आज अपना है, देश पे राज अपना है, अपना ही तो सिंहासन है और जो है ताज अपना है। हिम्मत की अग्नि में लोहा पिघलता है, विश्वास हमको हुआ। तेरे मन में शिवा,
मेरे मन में शिवा,
सांसों में शिवा,
प्राणों में शिवा,
हर घड़ी में शिवा
हर दिशा में शिवा
आज गूंजा हुआ है जय जय शिवा। तेरे मन में शिवा, मेरे मन में शिवा, सांसों में शिवा, प्राणों में शिवा, हर घड़ी में शिवा, हर दिशा में शिवा आज गूंजा हुआ है जय जय शिवा। तेरे मन में शिवा।
What a beautiful performance. What a beautiful beginning. Parents, can we hear it for the kids, please?
Moving on. Now the family walks through the Kumbh Mela enjoying the festival. Noticing a group of people throwing color powder as a part of ritual,
Can we have the skit children, please, on the stage? Look, Papa, they are playing with colors just like Holi.
that's right, some saints celebrate Holi early here at Kumbh. Holi is one of the most vibrant festivals of India.
I know, it's called the Festival of Colors. But what's the actual story behind it?
The story is about Holika and Prahalad.
Who are they?
Prahalad was a young devotee of Lord Vishnu, but his father, Hiranyakashipu, wanted everyone to worship him instead of God. Prahalad refused and the king became furious. He planned to burn Prahalad by making him sit on his sister Holika's lap. Holika had a magical fireproof shawl, but Prahalad's devotion saved him, and instead, Holika was burned. That's why we celebrate Holika the hen.
That makes sense. So Holi isn't just about playing colors. It has a deep meaning too.
Now let's celebrate our tradition, and what better way to do that than through the festivals. Festivals bring people together, fill our lives with joy, and reflect the rich culture, heritage of our land. India is a country of many religions and traditions. Yet, we all come together to celebrate festival with love and happiness. Whether it's Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Holi, Pongal, or Navratri, each festival holds a special place in our heart. Festivals are about laughter, dance, music, and togetherness. They remind us to pause from our busy life and cherish simple joys with family and friends. Now let's celebrate the spirit of festival with our next exciting performance. The next performance is choreographed by Aishi ma'am and Saiti ma'am. The participants are Imaya, Arya, Vian, Abhimanyu, Rihan, Tejaswini, Divyam, Ananya, Samaira, Advika, Ashmi, Anik, Vayu, Arth, Meher, and Arya.
तेरी खोज में दर दर भटके खोल दे राधा पटकूं गटके सारा राह लोग बताएं जमुना तट के रूप है तेरा सबसे हटके जो देखे वो रास्ता भटके सारा राह सारा रा 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 होली विरजमा तुझसे है रंगोली विरजमा तू मेरी हम जोली विरजमा तुझसे है रंगोली विरजमा सारा रा 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 होली विरजमा तुझसे है रंगोली विरजमा तू मेरी हम जोली विरजमा तुझसे है रंगोली विरजमा शामों से है बस तेरी बातियां तेरे बिना बेसुआदी रातियां आजा रे आ भी जा ये मन तरसे प्रेम के सारे मंत्र रटके तेरी खोज में दर दर भटके खोल दे राधा पटकूं गटके सारा राह लोग बताएं जमुना तट के रूप है तेरा सबसे हटके जो देखे वो रास्ता भटके सारा राह सारा रा 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 होली विरजमा तुझसे है रंगोली विरजमा तू मेरी हम जोली विरजमा तुझसे है रंगोली विरजमा सारा रा 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 होली विरजमा तुझसे है रंगोली विरजमा
Let's give a huge round of applause for our amazing dancers. A big round of applause again for the hard work and the lovely presentation.
I hope you all are having a wonderful time. Up next, we have a very special performance. While it's very common for children to come and perform on the stage, today we have a parent amongst us who is going to join us in singing a beautiful song. He is a passionate singer and he has done numerous music covers. He has his own channel as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Saurav Chaturvedi, who is going to enchant us with his beautiful song.
Hello. Track 1, please. It's actually a Qawwali. शबाब पे मैं जरा से शराब फेंकूंगा किसी हंसी की तरफ ये गुलाब फेंकूंगा पर्दा है 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 पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दे के पीछे पर्दा नशी है पर्दा नशी को पर्दा न कर दूंगा पर्दा पर्दा नशी को पर्दा न कर दूं तो अकबर मेरा नाम नहीं है पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दे के पीछे पर्दा नशी है पर्दा नशी को पर्दा न कर दूं तो अकबर मेरा नाम नहीं है पर्दा है पर्दा पर्दा है पर्दा खुदा का शुक्र है चेहरा नजर तो आया है हया का रंग निगाहों पे फिर भी छाया है किसी की जान जाती है किसी को शर्म हाँ शर्म आती है किसी की जान जाती है किसी को शर्म आती है कोई आंसू बहाता है तो कोई मुस्कुराता है सता कर इस तरह कर मजा लेते हैं ये दिलबर हाँ यही दस्तूर है इनका सितम मशहूर है इनका मशहूर है इनका सितम मशहूर है इनका खफा होके चेहरा छुपा ले, मगर याद रख हुस्न वाले जो है आग तेरी जवानी, मेरा प्यार है सर्द पानी। मैं तेरे गुस्से को ठंडा ना कर दूं, हाँ, मैं तेरे गुस्से को ठंडा ना कर दूं, हाँ, पर्दा नशी को वे पर्दा ना कर दूं। तो सौरभ मेरा नाम नहीं है, पर्दा 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 है, पर्दा है, पर्दे के पीछे पर्दा नशी है, पर्दा नशी को बे पर्दा न कर दूं तो अकबर मेरा नाम नहीं है। पर्दा है पर्दा है Thank you.
What a wonderful performance. Thank you, Mr. Saurabh.
Thank you. I actually think something which kids should enjoy, but that's not the case because we have parents here.
No, it was
Thank you
so
for-
nice of you. Can we hear it up for him, please?
Let's see the family enjoying some savories on their vacation.
The skit children,
The skit
please.
children.
They are having fun backstage. Looks like they're enjoying the savory backstage. Every day the kids wait for you. Today they want you to wait for them.
These laddus are so yummy. What are they made of, Mom?
They are made up of sesame seed and jaggery. These sweets are common during Makar Sankranti, which marks the beginning of the harvest season.
Why do we have harvest season?
That's because India is an agricultural country, beta. For thousands of years, farming has been a way of life. When farmers harvest their crops, they celebrate their hard work and thank nature for a good yield.
Different parts of India celebrate the harvest in their own special way.
That's a nice way to spread happiness.
In Punjab, they celebrate Lori with bonfire. In Assam, they celebrate Bihu. In Tamil Nadu, it's called Pongal, a 4-day festival. People cook a special dish called Pongal, made of rice and jaggery in an earthen pot. When the milk boils, everyone shouts, Pongalo, Pongal, which means, may this year overflow with prosperity.
Wow! So that means all these festivals are about thanking nature for food.
Our next performance is a tribute to this beautiful season of hard work, joy, and celebration. Our little stars are ready for their wonderful performance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as our talented children take you on a journey through a spirit of harvest season. This song is choreographed by Saiti ma'am and Shubhra ma'am. And the participants are Prayansh, Mivan, Kritarth, Hetansh, Jetvik, Hriti, Diya, Abir, Arjun, Avyan, Riyansh, and Aryan. Let's give them a big round of applause and welcome them. Let's have some music, please.
attitude pongal it's a blockbuster pongal Girls, no dangal, celebrate the Pongal. Attitude pongal it's a blockbuster pongal
everybody goppi Allah sing this melody goppi Allah pedda pandagandi goppi Allah let's get trendy goppi Allah come on
basically technically logically practically basically technically logically practically and finally it's an attitude pongal attitude pongal it's a blockbuster pongal
Wow, that was truly amazing. Didn't our children do a fantastic job? Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Wow, that was really a very good performance by our kids. It's indeed a wonderful day, and Annual Day today is not just about performances and award. It is also about cherishing the relationship we build along the way. Today we have amongst us parents who have been a part of our school's journey not once but twice. They first walked through these doors as parent of a young child who has now moved forward in her academic journey. And today, they return as proud parents of another little one in our playgroup. It is always heartwarming to see families choosing to be a part of our school again, as it speaks volumes about the trust and bond we share. Who better to tell us about their experiences and fond memories than them? So with great joy, I invite Mr. Ashik Rahman and Mrs. Feba Fatima, proud parents of Rihan, to share a few words about their journey with us. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. It's truly a pleasure to be here today, celebrating yet another wonderful annual day at Volante. The school has been such an important part of our lives, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to share a few words. Two of our kids, like mentioned, Naira, started with playgroup till UKG, and Rehan in pre-KG right now. Today she's 7, and looking back, I can confidently say that choosing Volante was one of the best decisions we made as parents. When it was time for her to move to main school, like any other parent, we were anxious about how she would perform in the screening test. When she came out of the screening discussion, I still remember the teacher mentioning she is a good cookie. She floored them. Volante had prepared us so well that she transitioned seamlessly, and we couldn't be more proud. What has always stood out to me is the way Seema ma'am and sir has been running the school with such dedication. Volante has not just grown over the years, but has also shown incredible resilience. I was truly impressed by how swiftly the school adopted to online learning during COVID and when they had to move out from the old campus, ensuring that children's education never took a backseat and made the best out of the resources available to them. The way this institution has continued to thrive and touch the lives of so many children is commendable. So when it was time for Rehan to start school, there was no second thought. We knew where he belonged. Even though we moved away 5 kilometers and spending 1 hour in the traffic, that was a price to pay. And nowhere else other than Volante. On behalf of our family, we extend our heartfelt gratitude and best wishes to Volante. May you continue shaping bright futures of many more years to come. Beba.
Thanks, Ashik.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I would really like to echo what Ashik was mentioning and maybe add a few more words. 8 years ago when we found Volante, so basically we were like scouting schools, we were really looking daycares at that point because Naira was hardly 11 months. And we really wanted a place where she actually felt at home. We want that kind of care and affection where the kids will really enjoy, and the caretakers are really giving that kind of passion to the children, which they will really want to cherish. So we went in so many daycares, and finally we ended up in Volante. And we had a lengthy conversation. I think, we were sitting with Seema ma'am around 1 hour. We were talking about how the daycare, the classes are. So we instantly felt we are at home. We know that this is a place where we can send our children, and we'll be very confident and very happy that they are at that place when we are busy in our work life.
And we started with Naira, and it is, I think, in the COVID times, at that point, we had to move back to our hometown. So at that time, I really appreciate the teachers, the staff really supported us because lots of materials, lots of online classes. She was at nursery at that point. It was really hard, but the school supported in a a great way. We actually came back the moment we had to come back. At that point, I was actually carrying Rihan. I was 8 months pregnant. So it was like two options: either stay there, change Naira school, or come back and deliver Rihan in Bangalore. So I took the second option because I really don't wanted to change the school. So it was like I came back, and then when Rihan was 1 year, we did not think anything else. We directly enrolled him to Volante, and it's been a wonderful year. I would say that the kids, both for Naira and Rihan, what we have noticed is evening when I come to pick them back, at that point they are not ready to come. Because they are always, that evening play time is a wonderful time which I have seen in the school. Because that you don't get in many play schools. We don't get that kind of an evening day out time. So I have to literally drag my child outside because he's like, he wanted to play, he don't want to come home. That's the way it was. So I would really like to conclude my words telling that it is the best decision which we took as a family to enroll both my kids to Volante, and I am really thankful to the staff, to the nannies, to principal, to sir and ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, both of you, for such beautiful and encouraging words. It's really nice to see parents coming back to the school. Now, Mr. Ashik and Ms. Feba, please come back on the stage. A small token of appreciation from our school. Please don't go away. I would like to call upon stage Seema ma'am to do the honor. Please come up on the stage once again. I'm so sorry. You just... Thank you once again. Ramya ma'am, this family has planned an interesting itinerary as they plan to visit the fort next. The skid children, please.
They were just standing here.
Yes.
Do you see this beautiful fort?
Yes, that's so massive and huge. I know the kings must be staying there.
We had many great kings in our country. India has been home to so many powerful and revered kings in history, like Chandragupta Maurya, who had found the Maurya Empire, and Ashoka, his grandson, who promoted peace and Buddhism across Asia. In the West, Shivaji Maharaj stands out as a symbol of resistance, who established the Maratha Empire.
Shivaji Maharaj's leadership and valor left a deep impact not only in history but also in our culture. Not only Shivaji Maharaj, but his army was also a force of unparalleled strength and discipline. Composed of fiercely loyal soldiers, it was built on the principles of bravery, unity, and strategic genius. They played a pivotal role in protecting the kingdom and establishing the Maratha Empire as a formidable power in India. The upcoming performance reflects the power and strength of Shivaji Maharaj and also brings his history alive through movement, music, and storytelling. This song has been choreographed by Padma ma'am and Sneha ma'am. And the participants are Adyansh, Aravagish, Rivan, Raghuveer, Akshat, Ekagra, Shashank, Anvay, Arush, Siddham, Arav C, and Trishan. Can we have the music, please?
इंद्रजिमी जंब पर राघवसु अंब पर रावण स रंब पर रघुकुल राज है पौन बारी बाह पर शंभुरति नाह पर जो सहस बाह पर राम जुजराज है तेजतम अंश पर गंडजिमी कंस पर कोमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है सरर होलिका जले शत्रु राख में मिले हमने जब जब शमशीरें ताने है माए भवानी नन आंधियां उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने बात यही मन में ठानी है माया भवानी हम सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार हैं अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे तेरे चरण की शपथ माँ जगदम्बे है माया भवानी है माया भवानी तूने इसमें रोशनी भरी है दान दिया भक्ति का दान दिया शक्ति का तूने ही तो झोलियां भरी
जो भी बरसों बरसों तरसी थे आई इन होठों पे हंसी अम्बे माता तेरी कृपा से मेरे घर में आई खुशी
हम चट्टान से डटे कभी ना राह से हटे हमने बात यही मन में ठाने है माया भवानी हम सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार हैं अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे तेरे चरणों की शपथ माँ जगदम्बे है माया भवानी है माया भवानी है माया भवानी
Let's give them a big round of applause. That was an energetic performance. Now we have a very special moment in our program. We would like to invite one of our wonderful parents to the stage to share few experience with us. Their journey with our school has been truly heartwarming, and we would love for them to talk few of words about a school, their experience, and the growth of their child. As part of the kindergarten family, we would like to invite Mrs. Smriti Sarika to say a few words. Please give her a big round of applause.
A very good evening to all of you. I am Smriti Sarika, popularly known as Ekag's mother, and it's really an honor to be here and speak a few words about the wonderful school. So, about 2 years back, when we started the journey with Volante International, we were not really sure what we were looking for. But one thing that we were sure of is we don't want a big name with a lot of branches. Where here the care and it's so personalized, and I can now confidently say that it has not just met but exceeded all our expectations. And the environment here is so welcoming and warm that it's almost like a second home to my son. And our beloved principal, Seema ma'am, is always reachable, and she takes care of all the issues, however small or big it may be. And even the teachers, they are exceptional. They focus on each specific children's growth, help them with their struggles, and even a special mention to the PTM meetings that we have had, where the focus is always on positivity and progress. And all the feedback is taken very constructively, and not just academically, but even the co-curricular activities. This annual day is one such example. Be it sports or arts, music, drama, everything is taken seriously so that each children can can be mentored about their interests and hobbies. And even the festivals, all of them are celebrated with such enthusiasm. It's really wonderful to see that these young children are being made aware of the rich Indian culture that we had. And just wanted to say a big heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers, even the staff, everyone. Thank you for all your dedications, patience. And it has been 2 years now, and it has been a wonderful journey. And we really hope that we continue such celebrations forward. Thank you.
Please don't go away. A small token of appreciation. So I'd like to call upon stage Seema ma'am once again. Please give them a very big round of applause. Thank you, Mrs. Smriti, for such lovely words. Dear parents, as we continue to celebrate today's achievement, we come to a very special moment. Today is not just about the dances, songs, or plays we have seen. It's also about the journey that these little stars have taken throughout the year. Today we have the honor of celebrating the graduation of our kindergarteners. This marks the culmination of significant chapter in their lives and how they have learned so far as they take their first step towards the bigger world of education. Today, we not only honor their hard work and achievement, but also celebrate the growth, creativity, and wonderful memories they have created here at our kindergarten. It is a moment of joy filled with laughter, excitement, and sense of accomplishment. As these young minds prepare to move on to new adventure, we want to take a moment to recognize the support of our dedicated parents as well. Without their unwavering love and guidance, today's celebration wouldn't have been possible. Let us all join hands in applauding these little graduates for their courage, enthusiasm, and the bright future that lies ahead of them. As we commence the ceremony in alphabetical order, we would like to call the prospective parents of the child to come up on the stage while the child is being felicitated. And once again, I would like to call upon stage Seema ma'am to do the honors. Please welcome her with a very big round of applause. And the first child on stage, in alphabetical order, is Abir Verma. The parents of Abir Verma, please come up on the stage. Abir is a very vivacious child, a little bundle of energy in our class, who brings life to every corner of the room. Always on the move, always curious and full of enthusiasm. This child is the definition of boundless energy.
Would you like to talk a few words? Would you like to share a few words, sir?
The parents, you are most welcome to say a few words if you want. Okay. Okay, the next child on stage. Aryan Veluru, Mr. and Mrs. Veluru, please come up on the stage. He is a very perceptive child. His keen observation and ability to express his thoughts so beautifully sets him apart. Whether it's through words, art or gestures, this child has a remarkable way of sharing his perspective, making every moment insightful and meaningful.
Ma'am,
Would you like to say a few
Ma'am.
words?
would you like
Aryan's
to say a
mama.
few words?
Hello. Hello everyone. Thank you so much, Seema ma'am. I'm really happy because when I joined Aryan, when me and my husband joined Aryan, he was very polite. He was very silent. He was not at all communicating to anyone. So we were thinking how he will do in class and all that. So, but we are very happy, and now he's become more active. And also the festivals, whatever the celebrations happens, he'll enjoy more actually. So my husband is not there. On behalf of him also, I'll thank everyone, even the staff. Shubhra ma'am, he's always telling about you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. The next child, Avian Pal. He is a gentle soul in our class, someone who may not speak much, but whose kindness and friendliness touch everyone around them. Though quiet, this child has a warm and welcoming nature that makes him a cherished friend to all. His calm presence adds a special harmony to our classroom. Okay. Would you like to say a few words, Mr. and Mrs. Paul?
For me, Volante is really helpful because my child Avyan is speech problem from the starting. His speech is really delayed. So after 2 years, he started to speech. So any other school, when I went for the admission, so no one taking to him because of his speech that this child is not ready. So Volante helped me really. So now my child's speech problem is also not there. He speak very well. So it's really, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Paul. Thank you so much. The next child is Arjun Arora. He is a polite child and very articulate. He is someone who speaks with thoughtfulness and respect. His well-mannered nature makes him a delight to interact with. His gracious demeanor brings positivity to the classroom every day. Mr. and Mrs. Arora, please come up on the stage. Would you like to say a few words?
Hi everyone. I would like to thank the entire Volante staff for all their support and the continuous encouragement and improvement which we have seen in Arjun. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. The next child is Diya Shri Vishak. She is Mr. and Mrs. Vishak. Shri Vishak, please come up on the stage. She is a diligent and focused child who approaches every task with dedication and care. Her hard work shines through in everything she does, especially in a beautiful, neat handwriting. Her efforts are an inspiration to others, and the precision she puts into her work reflects a true commitment to excellence. Would you like to say a few words?
Hi all, good evening. So I really like to say thank to entire Volante team actually, especially Seema ma'am, Demya ma'am, and Shreya ma'am actually. So when we came here, Bangalore from Kerala after Corona, we were really worried actually because first thing is language actually. So in Kerala we speak Malayalam. Now also in home we speak Malayalam. So what happened is she's not sure, like we were not sure actually whether she can communicate with other kids, how she will behave and all. And one thing is she was very scared of everyone. Maybe because of Corona, she was not mingling with anyone else other than the family members. So even that worry was true actually because she was keep on crying for the first 6 months, if I'm correct. She was keep crying, like whenever we drop her at school, she crying. But after like 6 months, we saw a lot of improvement in her. Now she's in UKG actually. So when we see other kids, I can see she improved a lot in terms of communication and mathematical ability, aptitude, everything she improved a lot actually. She got good foundation and someone who makes sure kids should have stronger foundation in her lower classes, which help them in the longer future. So I can say Volante really helped her to improve a lot in her foundation, all the skills, communication skills, and the way she mingled with other kids now. Everything improved a lot actually, thanks to Seema ma'am and their staff and even the helpers actually. I don't know that specific name, maybe I will miss someone, but all the nannies are really, really helpful. I'm very thankful actually from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, and
Thank you. The next child up on stage is Hetansh Venkatakoya. Mr. and Mrs. Venkatakoya, please come up on the stage. He is a very meticulous writer who takes great care in every stroke of his pen. His handwriting is as beautiful as pearls strung together, each letter flowing gracefully with perfect elegance. He pays close attention to details, ensuring that every letter is beautifully formed.
So
would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Our association with Volante started in 2016 with this guy, the big one. And he was having tough time coping up with different schools. We changed 3 to 4 schools. Finally, I don't know, the magic moment came and he got synced with Volante. As one of the parents mentioned, it was really tough to take him back from school after 5:30. I still remember Seema ma'am saying, "You go, if not, I'll send you with Dela," or something like that. And, by the way, Dela is a dog, Volante. So we were very happy. We were very happy how your staff has groomed our kids. We are wishing you all the good luck, all the very best, and take care. Thank you.
Thank you. The next child, Riti Kumar. Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, please come up on the stage. Riti is an exceptionally gifted student with a natural flair for reading that sets her apart. She is diligent and hard-working student, always striving for excellence in everything she does. A passion for learning is evident in the way she embraces new challenges, never shying away from the hard work. Would you like to say something?
It's a very great journey with Volante. What Riti loves the most about the school is the celebrations. Every Friday, there would be some or the other celebration. So she just loved coming to the school for, I have to get ready, I have to wear this, give me that, give me that. So all my time goes in making her ready for the celebration. So yeah, thank you Seema ma'am. And she really talk about Ramya ma'am and Shubhra ma'am. And she comes and tells me, you know, why do we celebrate Holi? Why do we celebrate Diwali? So she's been like, I mean, they have story behind it, you know. So thank you so much for all the knowledge you have imparted on her. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. The next child, Jatvik Aluri. Mr. and Mrs. Aluri, please come up on the stage. He is a perfect blend of intelligence and kindness. He excels in his studies with focus and determination. He is always eager to learn and explore new things. At the same time, he is warm and friendly. He is always ready to help others, creating a positive and inspiring presence wherever he goes. Would you like to say something?
Hi everyone, very good evening. So first of all, I'm thankful to the entire volunteer team because I was a little worried, like, and he was very shy in expressing anything in front of the crowd. But after 3 years now, I can see like he is very active and he express anything, and he loves enjoy in coming to the school every day. So once again, I will extend my gratitude to entire volunteer team for this taking up each and every care for the students. Okay, so once again, thank you.
Thank you so much. The next child, Kritarth Sharma. He is a wonderful combination of wisdom and joy. Always wearing a radiant smile, he brings positivity to the class. His deep curiosity and thirst for learning has gifted him with impressive knowledge at this age. Would you like to say something?
Hello. Thank you, Shiva ma'am. Thank you, Raman. Thank you, Subram. I think Kritarth has got a lot of things. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
Thank you. The next child is Mivan Manish. Mr. and Mrs. Manish, please come up on the stage. He is a perfect blend of brain and athleticism. With a natural talent for maths, he solves a problem with ease and precision. impressing everyone with his sharp mind. At the same time, his passion for sports shines through his energy and skill on the field. Whether it's crunching numbers or scoring goals, he approaches every challenge with focus, determination, and a winning attitude. Would you like to say something?
So, hey, good evening, everyone. I have two kids. Thank you, ma'am, for the second time graduating from here. This is I think I'll not get another chance. So, thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate the efforts what you have given for the kids. So, from bottom of my heart, I thank you, everyone. Thanks, ma'am.
Ma'am, would you like to speak few words?
Good evening, everyone. As you all understood by now, I am Vinita, Mivan's mother, and Manvi's also. So she is also a proud Volante product, and she is going into 6th standard in the next academic year. So we started our journey with Volante on the year 2017. So it's been a lengthier journey, and most of the things you are already shared actually. You all know what is happening in Volante. I don't want to repeat, but thank you so much for all the efforts and dedication that you have shown on our kids, the warmth you have given, the space, the environment, the support, everything. The learning we saw was not just books, but a lot of creativity, building confidence, joy of learning, right? So we have seen all these things, and we are going to miss Volante. We will cherish the memories that we made. I think not only kids, but we also did, made some memories with Volante. So we are going to miss actually, yeah. I would like to call many names here: Seema ma'am, Shubhra ma'am, Ramya ma'am, many others who are now part of Volante and were part of Volante. So I would like to remember everyone, and thank you so much. Thank you for the support, and thank you.
Thank you. The next child, Prayansh Mishra. Mr. and Mrs. Mishra, please come up on the stage. This child is bursting with energy and has a good personality. Always the center of attention with his expressive gesture and animated storytelling. His lively spirit and quick reaction makes every moment exciting and engaging. Whether he's sharing his thoughts, performing, or taking part in activities, his enthusiasm is contagious. He is an active and vibrant soul. Would you like to share something?
Well, an incredible journey for Prayansh, of course, when he started in nursery. Obviously, we have seen him grow, and all thanks to Volante, Seema ma'am, Ramya ma'am, many other teachers who were there earlier, support staff, and of course, his favorite, Shubhra ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I would just add one thing, I've never seen any other teachers or any other schools, but whatever I have seen from Volante, like a small thing. I have seen Seema ma'am, when the driver is not there, she's coming and dropping the kids. So that is something which I don't think anywhere you will find. So that's really great. Any other school have taught a lot of things. Thanks for that.
Thank you so much. And the last kid but not the least, Riyansh Garg. Mr. and Mrs. Garg, please come up on the stage. Riyansh is constantly smiling, always in his own world. He is content and focused, quite exploring his interest with joy and curiosity. He exudes a peaceful happiness, perfectly comfortable with himself. His presence is calming. He radiates positivity and self-assurance in everything he does. Would you like to share something?
I would also like to add, Riyansh is naughty as well. Yeah, it's been a very good journey as a parent and teachers having a very close relationship like a team together. I always say together we achieve more, right? And it's been a very kind journey, like after your return to office thing happened, coming to Bangalore, very awkward, like to identify a right school, space is very good. And I remember one quote from your husband, Mr. Ravi Gupta. We don't make people introvert. We want to try to achieve the result where introvert can be mixed up with the extrovert personality. And that development what this school is doing create difference. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Most welcome. Anytime. We too. We too will cherish all these moments. And now can we have all the UKG kids on the stage? There are few kids who are missing. We are missing them today, but they are not present. All the UKG children, can we have for the UKG children, please? All our young graduates. They look so lovely in their dresses, all set to step into the new world.
Congratulations, dear graduates. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep reaching for the stars. Now it's time for some music and fun. Can we have some music, please?
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news talking this and that. Give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is.
Wow, what a beautiful dance, children. Without any choreography, that was excellent. Congratulations, all of you, and all the best for your future endeavors. Can we have it for all the graduates of Volante, please? We have seen many amazing performances today. Now it's my pleasure of inviting Mr. Chaturvedi once again back to stage for another beautiful song. I am sure we all are captivated by his beautiful melodious voice. And now another song is awaiting you. So can we have Mr. Saurabh Chaturvedi once again on the stage, please, for another song. Please give him a very big round of applause.
I think this is the track which I thought I would sing in front of kids, but nevertheless, track 2, please. This is working. So that's not my track, please. क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश या आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं दिल खुले कहीं, वो हम जैसे देखें ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, मंजरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चल 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। सापा धागा गरे गम पसा बम 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 बोले बम 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 बोले, अरे बम चिक बोले, अरे मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए, बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए, या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे, खुल के सोचे आओ, मंजर फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चल 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले, मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले। So this was actually my kid's favorite song, so I thought of singing it out here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Please don't go away. A small token of appreciation.
A heartfelt round of applause for the wonderful performance today.
Thank you.
It lit up the stage. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to call upon Seema ma'am to hand over a token of appreciation for the incredible talent.
Can we hear it for him, please?
Now let's see this family where they're heading to. They are busy looking at the fort, mesmerized by it. As they are passing through the various areas of fort, they came across a troupe of dancers performing folk dance.
Wow, what a wonderful dance. They have such colorful clothes. It's so amazing. What is it called?
This one is Rajasthani folk dance. Rajasthani folk music and dance are beautiful reflection of the rich culture and tradition of Rajasthan.
Oh, I see.
So parents, are you ready for a fantastic performance? We are excited to showcase a glimpse of this vibrant heritage filled with lively rhythm and colorful costumes. The folk songs and dance tell stories of love, bravery, and spirit of Rajasthan. Let's celebrate this lively and beautiful tradition together. The next performance is choreographed by Padma ma'am and Sneha ma'am. And the participants are Chitrangda, Varshita, Shri Adita, Darshika, Arunya, Arya, Mishika, Sudiksha, Dhriti, Amelia, Kaira, Smriti, and Sara.
केसरिया बालम आवो नी पधारो नी मारे देश रे पधारो नी मारे
Wow, what a no, not powerful, colorful performance. Let's give them a round of applause for their fantastic effort and hard work. Very particular about their accessories. No. Program can wait. Yes. At Volante, we are not just a school, we are a family. And nothing speaks more about the trust and bond we share than when the parents choose to continue their journey with us for their younger children after seeing their elder one grow and thrive here. Today, we have a very special parent among us who is not new to our school. Their elder daughter completed her UKG with us, and now their younger one continues this beautiful journey in LKG. It's always heartening to see families return to us, reaffirming the love and confidence they have in our school. So without further ado, I would like to invite Mrs. Ramya Nitin, a valued member of our Volante family, to come forward and share their experience with us. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause. Big round of applause.
So good evening all. So I think
Ma'am?
Yeah, good evening all. So Volante has been the special one in our journey. So we didn't think much. We did not choose for a lot of other schools. We did not check. So that's where we started with Anshi's journey long back in 2017 maybe. 2017. She wouldn't remember. So we started with a lot of hesitation and we were emotional because I think some parent mentioned that they had come from Kerala, so we did the same as well. So we were worried. She was lagging in communication. Basically, she wouldn't understand the basic English initially. I think the settling period was really really good, and we could see a lot of difference in the way she communicates, she talked to people, because she was so reserved. But my younger one, she's totally opposite, and I know Ramya ma'am is having a tough time. I'm having a tough time as well at home. But I think Volante is more what I've observed is right from Seema ma'am and all other staffs out here, right? So they kind of identify each and every children, how are they special in their own way. It is not about the curriculum, what I feel. So they also understand what they are good at, basically. And they also, during PTM, I get to hear that, okay, she is good in this, she is good in that, all of this, right? And this is not just for Shivanya. This started right way from Anshi's time, and I think the legacy is continuing with a lot of improvements. And I think the basic addition to it is more of a communication, because I don't know how much time Seema ma'am spent across, right? Because I see a lot of parents sitting here, but she takes time to communicate with everyone and then update about every kid, like what is happening that particular week, being it a curriculum or whatever is happening around the events and all of it, right? So I believe Volante is always going to be a memorable one in our life journey, and the example is here. So she had a very good foundation, and I hope that Shivanya is also shaping up well. So thanks for this opportunity, and thanks to all the staffs around, thanks to Seema ma'am, and I know Ravi sir is not around, so every function we get to meet him, we get to talk to him, so I'm really missing him, and I think my husband also will do the same. Thanks for this opportunity. Thank you all.
Thank you. I'm having a wonderful time with her. Thank you so much. I would like to call upon Seema ma'am to hand over a token of appreciation.
Please give her a very big round of applause. Finally, parents, it's time for the grand finale of our kindergarten annual function. It is a magic medley of songs bringing together all the little stars on the stage. This grand performance will be the highlight of the evening, spreading smiles and laughter as everyone comes together to share in the joy of this special moment. So parents, keep your eyes on the stage for a thundering performance by our Volante kids.
खुदा हम मिलके ना होंगे जुदा।
ਜਾਗਰ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਯਾਦ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਰ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ 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 ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਪਾਵੇ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ 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 ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਪਾਵੇ ਭਰੇ ਜਜ਼ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਾ ਪਾਈ ਕਿਉਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੇ ਜਜ਼ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ 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 ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਪਾਵੇ
Wow, what a wonderful performance, everyone. Please put your hands for all the kids. Louder, parents. Such a performance. Parents, please be seated. With this, we come to the end of our program. On behalf of entire kindergarten school, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all those who made this annual function a grand success. A special thank you to our wonderful teachers for their dedication, our dear students for their enthusiasm and hard work, and to the parents for their constant support. And last but not the least, our support staff who have done wonderful job taking care of all the children backstage. Thank you all for being a part of this beautiful journey. Good night and see you all soon. Requesting all the parents to please be seated. The parents of PG will be moving first to collect the kids from the green room. Please leave through the exit door. We have marked the exit door right on top, up. The parents of the PG children, please move first. We'll be handing over the kids with the youngest one first. That is PG, followed by nursery, then LKG, and lastly UKG. The rest of the parents, please be seated. Please move only after 10 minutes. It will take us some time. So the playgroup parents, please leave first. We'll be informing you as soon as the playgroup children are done.